Hello students, this is part 2nd of chapter 3rd, Fiber to Fabric. In last video we have learnt about wool from the other animals such as camel, rabbit and goat. In this video we will be learning about the wool production, different methods are there and the life cycle of silk moth from where we get the silk. Wool production. The different processes involved in the wool production are shearing, scoring, sorting or we can say grading, dyeing and drying and making the yarn. Shearing. The process of removal of fleece from an animal is called shearing. In simply, fleece we are telling the wool of the sheep. Shearing is done with the manual razors or blade or with the special clippers. Scoring. The sheared hair is washed properly to remove the dirt, dust and grease. It is done with the help of machines. Grading or sorting. The wool is sorted on the basis of length, color, texture and the ease with it can be dyed. Dyeing. As the natural color of the fleece is white, brown or black, the sheared wool is dyed in different colors. Please correct the spelling of white, W-H-I-T-E is there. Drying. In this process, containers of wool are put through rollers to squeeze out as much as water possible. Then the wool is weighed and packed into bales. The bales are transported to the mills where they are processed further. Some health hazards in the wool industry is also there. The workers who sorted wool were often infected by bacteria that causes a fatal disease called the anthrax, also known as sorter's disease. The bacteria are found in the wool of a contaminated sheep and can enter the human body through inhaled air. Life cycle of a silk moth. The female silk moth lays about 300 to 400 eggs at a time. This is silk moth. These are the eggs on the especially the mulberry leaves. The eggs hatch and the caterpillar or silkworm emerge. This is called the larval stage. The silkworm feeds on a mulberry leaves. The silkworm secretes a fine filament from their two glands on its head. The filaments are made up of proteins that hardens to form silk fibers when exposed to the air. The silkworm deposits filamental layer around its body through the figure of 8 movement. Continuous they are doing in this way, forming a structure called the cocoon. The silkworm takes 3 to 7 days to prepare the cocoon formed by about concentric layer of a single thread. The silkworm enters the second stage of its life and then the third and then a final stage to become an adult moth. So, adult moth again same life cycle is followed. The silkworm enters the second stage of its life and then the third and final stage to become an adult moth. Silk threads are obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm.